Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and this is going to be a new segment here on Dummy Boy Finance. We are going to create a crypto coin watch list, and I am going to basically cover all the coins that I want to talk about that I feel a lot of people are going to want to know and see the charts of. And so we're going to get straight into this video. And so last week I made a video talking about Ethereum preparing for a massive run, and you can see right here I kind of just drew out what I anticipated Ethereum to trade like. So again, this was on April 22nd. And so this was my prediction here on how I thought Ethereum was going to trade. So let's see how we did on our prediction. If I look at Ethereum current day, you can see the way we traded was exactly how I predicted. And I expect Ethereum to continue to run. And so a couple things to mention on this chart right now is our accumulation is just steadily continuing to go up. So people are not really selling, rather they are continuing to buy an average up on their positions on Ethereum, which is a great sign for a long-term investment. And so people are putting percentages of maybe their paycheck or a monthly amount to a position in Ethereum, and that continual chipping away is going to get the supply down in Ethereum, and at the end of the day that will continue to increase the price. And so this is the future, and we are going to see monster runs, and we are going to continue to see monster runs. And so at these levels we do expect to see a healthy pullback at some point. I don't see that happening just yet. You can see our MACD had a very nice crossover. We have no signs of real sell-offs happening just yet here on Ethereum. Those of you guys who have been watching my videos know that I've been strongly recommending to buy Ethereum at this support level right here. So this was a two-time play. You buy at support, you sell at resistance, and then on a back test you get back in and you ride the rip up. And so Ethereum has been trading picturesque. This is what we call a wet dream for traders. And so Ethereum just continues to run absolutely solid outings here for the last couple of trading sessions. Second coin we're looking at here is Bitcoin. So the big dog right here is pretty much flat on the day, and so I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to fill this gap here to the upside. So I still expect this to run up even more. Again, same type of play here, buy on support, sell at resistance. One thing to mention here on Bitcoin, I'm going to add in our SMAs. So you can see throughout this entire run up, we never interacted with our 50 SMA, which is indicated by this green line. And so for the first time, we actually broke past this point. We found very nice support here on our trend line, and now we are sitting right on top of our 50 SMA. And so Bitcoin right now, in my opinion, is a buy. If we look at our MACD right here, you can see it is starting to curl over, and so I expect Bitcoin to have another monstrous run from this point. And so those people who are interested in making money, look over at Bitcoin, because I did call Ethereum going up before Bitcoin just because the setup looked a lot more promising. But now that Ethereum has exploded, we are looking back at Bitcoin because we finally got our back test of our 50 SMA that we really badly wanted, and now we are trading above this point. So if we continue to have a couple more trading days along this 50 and above it, Bitcoin is a major buy at these levels. Next coin of the day, we're looking at Vechain over the US dollar. So Vechain has continued its strong run as well. We're trading at 21 cents. We found a short-term bottom here at around 17 cents. We did bleed as low as 13, but at the end of the day, we did have buyers step in and hold that line, and now we are back up. And so we're gonna find major levels of resistance here at around 23 cents. But the way it is trading right now, Vechain is looking extremely steady. You can see our MACD could be potentially curling right back up. And so if we get that curl up and crossover of the signal line, that would be extremely bullish. And I do expect Vechain to make another run to the upsides. Accumulation, everything is off the charts right now. Vechain is looking extremely promising for another move up. Next coin of the day, we're looking at everybody's favorite meme coin that is turning into a major threat, Doge over the US dollar. So we are trading at about 42 cents here. Absolutely crazy price action overall on Doge. You can see our MACD right here had an extremely bullish bounce off of its signal line. So this was extremely bullish. You can see our accumulation has been through the roof. So people are still not really selling Doge. Even on this run up, we have a continual accumulation. So everything right now is looking very picturesque here on Dogecoin. You can see our price action is well above our SMA. So at one point we will see a major correction in this coin. But until then, guns blazing, and right now we are almost breaking a major level of resistance. Again, I believe Doge will hit $1. I just think that is going to happen with all the publicity and the clout around this coin. And so overall, we're seeing crazy price action right now. One thing to fear here on Doge is a potential double top at these levels, and so that is what we are going to look out for right now. But there are no signs to sell. This coin is strong right now and is going to continue to run, especially indicated by this accumulation right now. People are just buying up Doge. Next play we're looking at here is Cardano over the US dollar. So Cardano finally got a backtest of its 50 SMA. Like our other altcoins, you can see we never really got that 50 backtest, but we got it recently. We actually got as low as our 100-day SMA, and so this price action was extremely bullish. And so at these levels, I do think Cardano has more room to the upside. If we look at our accumulation, it's been absolutely steady, so people are still buying Cardano here. You could see we got our bullish crossover right here, and so if we continue and just trade up and we see our MACD continue to go up here, Cardano could start to see more highs. But at the same time, if we do start bleeding down and we get a curl down, that could be extremely bearish here for Cardano, and we could start to see even lower lows here. Those of you who are in Cardano, beware of a potential cross down of our MACD. If our MACD gets negative, that would not look good here for Cardano. That would actually make a very solid U, and this could have been the top here. But right now it's too early to tell. We are getting our price action very close to our 50, and so as long as we are above our 50, we're bullish here on Cardano. And if we break past this level of resistance that is extremely pesky at around $1.47, Cardano could see new highs. But until then, I would not be buying at these levels. I would wait and watch and see where this one kind of bottoms out, or if we break past this point. If we break past this level of resistance and we get a back test, Cardano is a buy. Kind of similar with Ethereum, you play it for that next leg up and you play it for the rip. But overall, Cardano is still looking quite strong here, up about 1.69% on the day. There you guys have it. I just wanted to cover these 5 coins. If you guys want me to cover any more coins, let me know in the comments below and I will try to go over all of your guys' suggestions. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got something from this. I hope y'all make money. Let's do this together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.